Cub TV rolling in. For the first time, Nevada has a sanctioned bowling team. We're here with Liam, the star bowler on the bowling team. With a score of 265, we're gonna here to ask him how he made history.
Staying positive and just, you gotta keep a good mindset. Thanks for having me too, Cub TV. I appreciate it.
Okay, as our first question, how do you prepare before your bowling matches? Can you just give us a rundown of that?
Yeah, of course. I usually just, listen to some music or stay calm and just keep really mentally stable and positive and just don't get worked up about much, just stay positive and calm.
Yeah. Okay, could you tell us during your matches, or if you hit a bad shot, how do you prepare, or how do you stay calm after that happens?
After a bad shot and it doesn't do what I want it to do, you can probably be frustrated about it all you want, but as soon as your next turn comes up, you gotta let that go and forget about it and pick up the spare and move on, or you just can't get too frustrated and mad, otherwise it's gonna throw off your whole game.
If there is one thing that you were looking forward to this year, what would it be?
Hoping I can go to state and do my thing.
Cub TV here 1 week later after our previous interview with Liam Davidson with some special news.
The special news today is I've broken my own school record of bowling at 267 yesterday at conference. Next week on Monday at 9 a.m. we have state qualifying in Waterloo, Iowa. Show some support. Go Cubs. Thank you for having me, Cub TV.
Yeah, thank you for coming here, Liam. Cub TV rolling out.